Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How does Baylor define Tier 1? A Tier 1 university operates at the highest levels in not only teaching and research, but throughout the university in services to students, the arts, athletics and more. As Baylor strives to reach R1 status, our commitment to excellence university-wide grows even stronger.
Let's help you make your mark.
Baylor has been aiming to become one of the most elite schools in the South. The best thing about Baylor is its integration of excellent academics, exciting sports teams, Greek life, and Christianity.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Baylor University acceptance rate. How difficult is it to get in? With an undergraduate admissions rate of 39%, Baylor is undoubtedly a more selective institution. In the fall of 2018, 3,366 new freshmen enrolled. 44% of those students were in the top 10% of their high school graduating class. 28 February 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.